After completing her PADI Open Water certification, Miranda decided to join us on a recreational dive. Our first stop was the Curve, the same dive I had completed on my first day of diving. The Curve is a good dive for beginners, as it is very open and shallow, still with a good abundance of corals and fish, including butterflyfish and giant clams. Our second dive was even more exciting and adventurous, named Jerry's Jelly. We had a strong current which classified it partially as a drift dive. What made this dive interesting was the abundance of fish in large schools, bright coloured tropical reef fish playing in brightly coloured soft corals. Among them, we saw a small whitetip reef shark. Papa, our dive master, took good care of Miranda, even held her hand in some of the stronger currents. Drifting along, we watched the colourful fish interact and chase each other, along with some interesting looking species, such as the Moorish idols, with their black, yellow and white stripes, a large school of oxeye scad, who remained frozen in the current with military discipline, not breaking even when approached, and a giant brown marbled grouper, who was a little too far and elusive to properly film. Returning back to the retreat, we had a relaxing afternoon and evening under the full moon during our last night at the Dolphin Bay Divers Retreat.